I'm Jason Oliver, and this is the Design Lab for the Daily Dose Paint. Never knew the difference between satin and eggshell, high gloss and medium gloss? I'm going to show you everything you ever wanted to know about paint. Paint. So you want to change the colors of the walls in your own home, but you don't know where to start. There are basically 4 different types of paint. First up is flat. Flat is great for ceilings. It absorbs light, so it hides the irregularities in walls. So if you have a stuccoed wall, use a flat paint. But it's not washable, so don't use it where you have lots of kids running around. Satin or eggshell, that's basically interchangeable, a satin or eggshell. It's a higher sheen. It's great for washing the wall if you have a family room or a living room, again, where you have high traffic or kids. Next, we have SemiGloss, a higher sheen even still, great for moldings, bathrooms, kitchens, but my personal favorite is HighGloss. I like to use HighGloss to give that really great visual impact to moldings, or let's say you have a front door that you want to have lacquered, in that lacquered look. HighGloss is the perfect choice for that. So there you have it. But remember, between brands, there's a lot of variation, not only within brands, but between brands. So before you commit, try a satin in one and a satin in another before you break out the paintbrush.
Only one network brings it all home. The Design Network. Home revealed.